starting in 5 seconds. We are indeed grateful to the founding fathers of our democracy. Despite all the challenges, India has emerged as a nation of global importance. We are fortunate to have a stable economy, adequate food for our people, and enough funds to drive our growth. India's growth story is a matter of critical appreciation all over the world. India's growth story also includes ambitious plans in the fields of education and health. The quality of education and healthcare available to its citizens are best parameters to judge the economic progress of a nation. Considering the importance attached to these two sectors by our government, we can have the satisfaction that we are in the right direction. The establishment of the All India Institute of Medical Science was a cherished dream of Pandit Nehru. AIIMS was expected to be a shining star in the field of medical education and tertiary care in this part of the world. We are indeed very fortunate to be part of this mission. Over the last 64 years, the Institute has not only received due recognition in the field of medical education, research, and patient care, but also has succeeded in establishing itself as a brand in patient care. Needless to say that this brings more responsibility, greater expectation, and greater accountability. It is now on our shoulders to take forward this mission as per the mandate given to us. We are not here merely to perform a job but to excel others and serve as a model for other institutes in the region. Therefore, whatever we do as part of our duty, we must remember the objective. This is an unavoidable responsibility for all us being part of AIIMS. Patient care is one thing that makes us vulnerable in the eyes of the public. This is one area where we get a quick appreciation or a quick approach depending on the quality of service we provide. I would request the faculty, resident doctors, nurses, and the entire paramedical staff and all those associated with care delivery to be sensitive in this matter. It would bring blessing for yourself personally and goodwill for the institute. We need to improve our research capability. Patient care may bring us local appreciation, but quality research is the key to international recognition. Although AIIMS faculty and scientists lead in research publications compared to other medical colleges in the country, we have had limited achievements in the field of research in the global context. Fortunately, This situation is changing fast. In the last 2 years, our faculty have succeeded in bringing substantial international research grants in areas like structural biology, protein, molecule research, viral hepatitis, nanotechnology, eye care, biodesign, cardio neuroscience, and cancer research. Hopefully, these projects would lead to impressive results. There is also a need to review our thrust areas which have been taken up by our research council. It would require due planning and strategy how to position ourselves in global context given the limitation of infrastructure and fund. As well as we all know, research is a time consuming, serious, and meticulous job. Therefore, we must undertake projects which are relevant and satisfying. In this context, I am happy to announce that the intramural research budget allocation at AIIMS has been increased up to rupees 5 crore from 50 lakh, and an individual project could be of rupees 5 lakh. It is a big offer to the faculty. I would appeal to my young faculty colleagues to write good research projects now to get intramural research grants from the institute itself. I believe in the 12th 5-year plan period there would be more budget allocation for technology driven medical research in India, and our faculty and scientists should take full advantage. Cleanliness is another area which is very significant in a hospital environment. It is not difficult to maintain proper cleanliness if members of the faculty and hospital administrators keep a watch and colleagues in the sanitation department work out a supervision protocol. A clean hospital and clean service areas not only make everyone happy but also send a good message about the work culture of the place. Renovation and beautification work of the frontage of the institute are almost over. Other areas under renovation should be operational soon. I would urge the engineering service department to have proper coordination with the hospital administration and the clinician so as to cause minimum disruption in patient care services. To address the parking problem, the institute is constructing a parking area at the Masjid Math site. The work on various special center, hostel, and faculty quarters is in progress, and the engineering department is actively pursuing to complete necessary formalities. Soon, we are going to have a convergence center which shall be housed in the building coming up near biophysics department. Stop.